Today we're going to talk about topics and how to use them in Google Classroom. I use topics all the time, so I'm going to show you an example of what it looks like in my classes with all my topics running around. So you'll see that I have topics and then I have all my assignments underneath the topics. So if you haven't used topics, this is a great way to organize all your work, and especially if you want students to do things in a certain order. Google has now put off to the side a place where you can just go straight to a topic if you want to. So if I wanted to go to my AEA online databases, it only brings up those things under that database post, which is helpful for those kids who kind of get a little lost. It looks the same way on the student side. They'll have all these topics under here. So I'm going to show you how to create a topic. I'm going to go back to my test class, and it is super easy. So if you go to classwork and you just hit create, underneath here it says topic, and you can name it almost anything you want to. So I'm going to call this one a fun test, and then I just click add, and it adds that topic to my classroom. So then I can actually go and create an assignment, and I can add it into my Google Classroom. And this looks a little different than it did before, so you click add and add it to your Google Drive, and I have one that's in here that says add to testing for a rubric, so I'm going to say add that. Remember that you can make a copy for each student if you want every single student to have a copy and be able to turn it in. Over here I can choose which classes I want it to go to. I just really want it to go to my test class right now. I can also choose which students I want it to receive it. If I want that, I can change the points right here, and here's where I can add the topic to this, and then I hit fun test. We're going to talk about rubrics in a different video, but then I just hit assign and off it goes. And so it's sitting in here under fun test. Now let's say like I forgot and I put digital compass in and I forgot to give it a title or a topic. I just grab it and I can move it anywhere I want to. So I can move it here. Oh, I don't like that order. I'll just move it here. All right, so you can rearrange things. Oh, I didn't really want it in there. I'm going to put it up here. Oh, no, once it's got a topic, it's got a topic. So once you do that, they are easy to find, and it looks the same way on the student side. So I'll show you the student side. So now this is a student side. They have testing and fun test. Let's say I only want them to look at what's under testing. Here it is. Here's all my stuff that I need to do for today. I just need to click on this particular thing and get to work on those. So that is how great topics are. I use them all the time. If you have questions, just give me a call.